In today's digital era, making money online has become increasingly popular. One of the most accessible ways to earn online is through freelance work such as writing, graphic design, or programming. Various websites like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients, enabling them to offer their services and earn money remotely. Another way is by starting an online business. Whether it's dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or selling handmade goods. Social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook offer great opportunities for individuals to showcase their products and reach a wider audience. Lastly, creating platforms like YouTube or Twitch can generate income through ads, sponsorships, or donations. The possibilities are endless in the online world. And with dedication, anyone can make money online.